Hi, welcome to Jetting. This is the presentation of the MJet V1, a pneumatic air-driven machine for fiber blowing. It's got two motors driving the upper and the lower belts. Features of this machine is extremely lightweight. This machine weighs only 9 kilos. Still, maximum pushing force is 550 newtons if you need it. Cable-wise, the range is up to 16 millimeters for this machine. And ducts, outside diameter up to 50 millimeters. Other features is that the configuration, duct and cable, is extremely short. The setup time is the lowest in the market, and you do it absolutely no tools. Service and maintenance, extremely easy to service and maintain in the field, and the operation is very simple. In the kit, the machine is included. You have your blue box, which you fill up with cable seals. Also, there's a fixture loose in the box you use for fastening the machine on your work table in the case of pulling a big heavy drum so the machine doesn't move. All of this is fitted in an aluminium box. The range of this machine is extremely big. It's for cables as well as ducts. Take a look at the duct sizes. We can manage from 7 millimeters up to 50 millimeters ducts. Cables from 3 millimeters up to 16 millimeters. So now I will show you how to install a 6.2 millimeter cable to configure it with a 16 millimeter duct. You take your 16 millimeter duct clamp down here, take the top part off. You have your cable. You lift the arm that pressures the cable down to the measuring wheel. Like this. You take your correct size seal that prevents air from going backwards. Put it over the cable. And inside the duct clamp, there's a track dedicated for the seal. Okay. You take your duct, place it over the cable. Take the top parts of the duct clamp, put it over. You clamp all of this together, only using your hands as tools. Clamp it together. Now, when the air hose is connected, we can secure that the belt pressure over the cable is correct. So we wanted to push the cable, not too hard and not too loose. If there's a problem in the ducts, we need to have the cable to slipper on the belts, still being able to push. This is of course adjustable during your operation. So now this is done, you have good pressure. We see too that this safety switch is turned off. Also, the air for the engines, motors, is turned off. We start the electronic counter, which will show you distance and speed as you go. Turn this switch on, the safety switch, and when I increase air, the engines will start spinning, and the more they get, the faster and stronger the machine will get. And please remember, always cut your ducts before you put them in a connector. In this case, I use a PC42 from Jetting duct cutter. You get a nice 90-degree cut. This decreases the risk for cables getting stuck in connectors.